Hello YouTube, this is Snailwolf and we're going to do a quick unboxing video of my new purchase, a Raspberry Pi 4 with 4 gigabytes. Let's see. It is up. A box in a box, that's always a good sign. That means they handled it with relatively care. Let's open it up. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh, wow, this is a Raspberry Pi. It's super small, it looks so cute, little box and everything. A little card of the owner of the shop, also Raspberry. I'll keep that one, looks cool. Charger, so nice in a little box. The case looks very cheap, and of course it is cheap, it didn't cost a lot. And there's a little cooler inside. I will take it out. Always HDMI cables. Or no, not HDMI. Yeah, it's HDMI to USB. Okay. Well, Ethernet cable. Won't be needing this one, I guess. That's weird. No, I don't need this one. SD card. Sorry, SD card with Raspberry Pi logo. Ta-da! That I really like. Okay, that seems to be it. So let's have a look. What it looks like. This is official. Whoa! Look at this, you know. Raspberry Pi logo. Yes, that's nice. How much amps it got? 3 amps, yeah, because you have to be very careful. A lot of these are 2.5 amps that won't suffice for your Raspberry Pi 4. You need to have at least 3 amps output. That's nice, nice, nice. Let's have a look or a little peek at the cover. Ooh. Oh, that's very cute. A little screwdriver, little heat sinks, aluminum, I think, yeah, and some stickers to place underneath the cover, and a very small fan. They said the fan will be very noisy, so I will tell you if it's true or not in a little video when I put it all together, because that will be my next video. Okay, I'll put it back. Voila. Now let's have a fast look at the Raspberry Pi itself. It's so small, you know. I'm really impressed by how small it is. Okay. Oh, shouldn't open. Oh, open here, it says. Sorry. Wow, so nice, you know, so small. It looks so cute. Oh, I'm very happy with this one. I hope it works right off the bat. But it looks great, yeah. It's super nice. So small, really. I didn't expect it to be this small. I mean, on the internet you see pictures, but you have really no idea how big it is. Yeah, this one will be yeah, I'm very happy with this. Okay, the box I can't reuse, obviously. Okay, that's everything in the box. To put it together is very easy. The only problem or only thing you need to look out for when you put this together is you plug the power supply in at the very last, because this one will start up immediately when it has power. So there's no on and off button on this one. You can have cases with a on and off button. That's my next project. I will purchase one, but this one doesn't have it. But normally the power supply should have a little button. Because I saw on the internet. What? No button? Ah, that's really retarded, yeah. The one that they showed on the internet did have a button. Godverdomme, hey. I'm not very happy with that, huh? I'm not going to return it, but hey, that's not really what I wanted. I want to have one with a little button and I can switch it on and off, huh? Yeah, then it's clear. Then I need to buy a case with a switch. This case, I didn't really buy it for the case. I more bought it for the heat sinks and a little ventilator inside. But I'm going to swap it out anyway later. It's just for now that I can start using this little Raspberry Pi, and then later on I will see what I will do with it. It's very unfortunate that there is no power switch. Oh yeah, one thing I want to give you guys is impression how small it is. Maybe for comparison, a little matchbox. See it? It's really tiny. How many centimeters is it? 9 by 5.5 centimeters for the Raspberry Pi 4 gigabytes. Yeah, 4 gigabytes RAM. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I would suggest to subscribe, like the video, and I will make many more of them later on. One more thing, I'll do a follow-up video on this one. I will show you in detail how to set it up and how to put it in the case and everything. Then I'll also do you can have a quick view on how the Raspbian operating system works. And yeah, I'll show you that in the next video. Okay, bye bye.